So today I'm going to talk about how you can make passive income online. So if you want to start up your own business online, just keep on watching this. So today we are going to talk about how you can create your website and make money from it. So how does this method work? So the first thing you need to do is to watch. There's a full video that will pop up right now. Go and watch this full video to learn how you can create your free website. You are not paying any money. Everything is 100% free. So let's assume now that you have your website. The next step is to go and choose a product you want to review on that your website. So what you are going to be doing on this your website is to be reviewing digital products. So digital products are services. Let me say, for example, web hosting, like software SEO. All those are tools that you can start promoting, and in return you will get paid for just doing that. So how does this business model work? How it works is that you will go and join this affiliate program. You need to join affiliate program that will pay you at least good amount of money. Let me say, for example, a company that will be paying at least a recurring commission. So a recurring commission means that you will be making passive income every single day. Once you have the product you want to start promoting, you have reviewed the product and see that, okay, this is a good product you want to promote, then you can go and do a review on that product. Like go and check and see if it's a product that you can start competing with people online for. So that is when keyword researching come in. You need to go and do a keyword research about that particular product you want to review on that your website. So let's assume now that you have done the keyword research, you have got the low competition keyword you want to rank for, then you can now go and create a blog on this your niche you want to, on this keyword that you got. You go and write a blog about it on that your free website. So let's assume now that you are done writing that your blog. Then the next thing is for you to optimize this your blog with a software SEO. Software SEO is a tool that will allow you to optimize your blog. They have a free plan. Just go and try the free plan to see if it's something you need to stick with, and you can pick the pro plan. The link of software SEO will be in the description if you want to use it. The free plan link will be in the description if you want to use it. And once you have optimized your blog, then you can now publish that your blog on Google. So once your blog starts ranking on Google, you'll be getting free traffic to that your blog. And anyone that click through that your blog, read your article with the details that you have given on that your blog, if they find it useful, they might just go direct and pick the paid plan of software SEO, and you will be getting almost 30% recurring commission or 40% recurring commission, depending on what software SEO is going to be paying, depending on what software SEO is going to be paying you as an affiliate, as a person that is promoting this product. So you get an idea of what you can do and make passive income every single month. So look how it becomes passive income. When you send anyone, let me say, for example, people click on that your link, they start using software SEO. As long as they are still using software SEO and they are paying their subscription plan every single month, you as the person that referred them to software SEO, you are still going to be getting your own percentage. Let me say 30% to 40%, depending on how much software SEO is willing to pay you for sending this. So that is how it works. I hope you get idea. So I know you'll be wondering, but let me say, for example, if my blog is not ranking on Google, so how can I start like drive free traffic to this my blog? So I will recommend you to use Quora. So you can use Quora to start driving free traffic to this your blog. It's very simple. How Quora works is that you go and see people that is asking questions that concerns how to optimize their blog, or how to rank on Google, or how to things that relating to that product or that blog that you have written, or that services that you are promoting. You need to go to Quora, look at people that is asking questions on that niche. Let me say a niche about how to optimize your blog, or how to rank higher, or how to rank fast on Google. So people that is searching for this kind of keyword, how to rank on Google, how to pick the right niche, or how to optimize your blog, or how to rank on #1 on Google. So you need to focus on this kind of question on Quora. As long as you are answering them with question, then you will see people clicking on that your URL, because when you are answering the question, you are going to insert your blog URL, not directly to Suffer SEO, but on that your blog, because you want to give them more details on your website, which is on that your blog. Then they can decide if they want it. They will click on that your affiliate link on that your main blog, which is your website, and they can go to Suffer SEO to start using it if they find it useful. So you see how it works. It's very simple. There is no like difficulty you need to pass through to make sure you start making money online. You just need to do this step by step that I just said, and you will see passive income start flowing into your paper or whatsoever that you are going to be using to receive your money. So I will end this video here, and I will keep on making great videos like this. All I just want you to do is to just hit that like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment about this video in the comment section if you have any question.